Let's discuss two problems, Leetcode 136 and 137. They are single number 1 and single number 2, so I just grouped them together. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, back to the problem. First 136. I call this one, like you are given an input like this 4 1, every number appears twice except for one number, and you need to output that number. So XOR is a very beautiful solution for this problem. I don't know if I had come up with this on my own, I would have used map or something like that, but XOR is a better solution. So you start off with saying like result is 0. So you start off with 0, and I have creates the problem with this binary output, like when 4 comes. So this is the binary representation of 4 when you XOR the result with that number. So each number like 1 and 2, because they XOR twice, they cancel each other out, and the only number which is left is the number which appears once. So that is the logic. If you see here, like in the next second scenario, when 1 is there, 1 sets this bit, and when this 1 comes, this 0 is cleared. So the same thing here with the 2 as well. When 2 comes here and then one more 2 comes here, it clears this bit. So the only bit which is not clear is the fourth one, and that is the one which the last man standing, so to speak. So that is the logic. Now 137 is slightly different. Each number appears thrice except for one number. So that makes it a little bit way too complicated, actually, not just little bit. So in this case, like you see, like 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 appears 3 times and 3 appears only once. So you need to output once. So for this also you can still use XOR, but you need to set up like two numbers appeared once and then appeared twice to basically act as a countervailing force, basically by using this logic. So you go through the list of numbers. The first time it is the same as the previous one. So when the first number is 2, appeared once comes to 0, and then because you negate it, appeared twice is for the first time it is 0. So if when you negate it and then AND it, you basically are doing nothing. So it doesn't have any impact. But this one does have an impact for the first time itself. So appeared twice, what happens is it is exactly the same thing. Basically this one and this one is the same thing. When you XOR, appear twice is 0. When you XOR with number 2, this one also remains 2. But 2 has appeared only once in the first iteration. So this acts as a countervailing force, basically. When you do negate, so it just flips the ones and zeros, and so when you AND it, so it becomes 0. So the first iteration appeared once has become 2 and then appeared twice as 0. So in the second one, they flip because of this one. So appeared once becomes 0, appeared twice becomes 2. Because in the second time, what happens is in the XOR, even though appeared twice, must have been XOR twice, but in the second iteration, it starts off as 0, appeared twice as 0. So when you XOR it, it still becomes 2 instead of 0, even though you XORed it twice in both the iterations. And in the third time, this one cancels appeared once, and the appeared twice also gets cancelled because of appeared once. So if you see after the third 2, both of them has turned out to 0, and only 3 is left when you XORed with 3, that is still the last man standing. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.